What safety measures are being recommended in New Jersey after the record-breaking heat deaths? The state is rolling out urgent protections to keep you safe during extreme heat. You won't believe how simple steps can save lives. After the tragic record-breaking heat deaths, New Jersey now activates heat alerts when temperatures soar dangerously high. During these alerts, the state opens numerous cooling centers across cities and towns. These centers offer free access to air conditioning, water, and shaded rest areas, especially for vulnerable groups like seniors and those without air conditioning at home. This step alone has made a big difference in preventing heat-related illnesses. Hydration is one of the simplest yet most effective safety measures recommended. New Jersey health officials emphasize drinking plenty of water throughout the day to avoid dehydration. They also encourage community members to check on elderly or disabled neighbors who may be at higher risk. Public awareness campaigns use social media, local news, and flyers to share tips on recognizing heat exhaustion symptoms and preventing heat stroke. Keeping the community informed is key to reducing fatalities.